Alright, you're good. Strong belly. Come on. There you go. A little bit hard. There you go. You got it. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Get out. Left hand right there. Nice. Go ahead and get the left foot up. Yeah. Come on, Billy. Absolutely. There you go. Come on. Got it, man. You got this. You got this. Yeah. Nice. Come on. Holy shit.
Hell yeah, dude. Bailey.
That was it right there.
That's Billy.
Oh my god. Sorry, I need to lay down. Woo. Oh my god.
Dude. Thanks.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was smooth. Just like.
oh, I've done this one before. But
Yeah, it's your
no.
first
V4.
Yeah. Yes, this is the first V4 I've ever done.
Ooh, maybe this will what I'll aspire to today.
This one is really fun.
Just
I love
slapping.
this boulder.
I'm not gonna crimp anything.
Yeah. How's your hand?
It's fine. So it's not swollen anymore.
Oh, what happened?
So nothing dramatic. It's just I was like on something really crimpy on Thursday.
Oh.
Daniel, is your phone
And I-
recording?
Yeah, it is.
Felt
All
a
right.
pop, but didn't hear a pop.
Oh.